Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to wire up a kitchen. It's pretty straightforward. Let's get into it right away. Okay, so code for a kitchen nowadays in 2026. See all these? These are all 15 amps. They got a 15 on them. So starting at the panel, right, you got to pull one of these 15s out and you got to put in a 20 because the kitchen receptacles on top of islands use 20s. So that's number one. So that goes in there. Step number two. So normally when hooking up receptacles, right, the wires are all white wires and those are called 14-2 wires, which is a 14 gauge wire for 15 amp circuits, see? But for a kitchen, you got to use a 12-2 wire, which is a 12 gauge wire, which is for a 20 amp circuit, which is the breaker that I just showed you. And that wire is yellow. So you got to use the yellow wire for that. Okay, so starting at the panel, right? You got a 20 amp breaker. Then you got the yellow wire running along to your kitchen. So it runs along, goes in through the walls. Everything has to be inspected every step on the way. So this isn't about that part of it. I'm just showing you how it's done in case you're wondering, right? And then eventually it comes out, right? So here it is, right? I have it out. So this says power. So this goes to the fuse box, right? And then what I have going here is I have another one going, and that one just travels and goes to the second receptacle. Get it? So you're basically, if you have an island situation like I do, this would be considered one because there's a stove here. So what you would do is you would have a separate circuit, just the way I showed you, running to this. And since we have a second island, so this is going to need two receptacles as well. One there, and that has to have its own breaker, its own yellow wire running to it, and it's going to be set up the exact same way. So we'll have two breakers at the panel, one for this island, one for this island. Get it? That's how that works. If you had just a long kitchen with no islands, then you still have to run two breakers at the panel, run it over here, and then what you would do is you would run just like that, the same way, right? And then the other circuits, you would run them in between. So you would start there, right? You'd have your first receptacle there from the other circuit, and then you would have your second one here, get it? You like interchange them. That's how they want that done. But you still have to have two separate breakers regardless for a kitchen. So in our case, we're gonna have two here running off of one circuit, two here running off another circuit. Another thing you gotta take into consideration is how far it is from the water source. Depending on where you are, the code is a little bit different for that. Here where I am, we are good. And then the third thing or fifth thing or whatever we are on is you have to use a GFCI receptacle like this, one that resets, right? That prevents any kind of water situation. And you also need 20 amp receptacles, see? So these are 20 amp receptacles. So the way you're gonna hook this up is you got your power coming out from your fuse box. That will go on the back here, see? One of these says load and one of these says line. So the way it works is the power goes into the line. So you would hook up your, white and black, whatever, the proper way. Yeah, white, black. So power goes in and then the power goes out the load side, which is the top here. See load, and that would run through that wire into the second receptacle, which is just a normal receptacle like this, see? But that also protects that receptacle. It turns both receptacles into GFCI receptacles. Makes sense? I think I covered everything here. So yeah, we're gonna hook that up there, and then we're gonna run another wire out that way and put 2 receptacles there. And I'm not an electrician, guys, so everything I do is getting inspected along the way, and I'm actually not hooking these up. I'm just getting everything ready for the electrician that's coming. He's gonna hook that up. He's gonna hook that up. We're still roughing that in. He's gonna inspect it, hook those up, and install 2 20-amp breakers inside the fuse box. Oh yeah, and one more thing. So I got 2 receptacles per breaker, but you can have more than 2. You can have 3, you can have 4, you can even have 5, or even 6. So there really is no limit to how many you can have. Hopefully that helped you. Thanks for watching. Till next time.